Welcome to the channel, guys. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. It's called Moonwalker, so get ready for the landing. Guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. Today's video, I'm going to go in great detail and I'm going to show you what this NFT is all about and why this NFT is one of the most sought out NFTs right now in the NFT industries. Guys, this is a world-renowned 3D artist with over 100,000 followers that have made this NFT. And obviously Liam is widely considered as the leading expert in his art form. He is specialized in outstanding space artwork that sells for thousands of dollars each across the world. Having worked on projects for the Warner Brothers, Def James, and Paramount Records is just a few that he's worked for. Liam is no stranger to the corporate partnerships and knows how to navigate it. And that is one of the reasons why this particular NFT is being sold for so much. The Pluto and Baby Pluto was sold for 3 Ethereum. The Moon Spirit was sold for 3.3 Ethereum, and the Goodbye Saturn was sold for 2 Ethereum. If you want to check out his Instagram, it's available over here. You can click on it and go check it out. I'm going to put the link of moonwalkersnfts.com in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go over there and check it out. Remember, guys, when you are looking to invest in an NFT, you got to remember who the individuals are that created this project and why this particular NFT is so sought out after. If you take one look at the way they've developed the NFT, the way they have created this NFT, the amount of soul and artistic approach that they've taken into bringing this NFT to us, you can clearly see why everyone wants to get hold of this NFT, because each NFT is unique in its own right. Each NFT has a lot of details in it, and each NFT displays the soul of the individual that has created it, Liam. The mission is that no matter where each of us lives on this planet, we can call it home. We all raise our eyes in the same place when we want to escape and dream. That's why they believe the universe belongs to everyone. The adventurous, the change makers, the audacious, and the dreamers. They are the ones that the project actually aims to gather together. The Moonwalkers plan to land in May and bring with them the countless benefits and value to their guests. And that is the reason why the community which they're developing right now is one of a kind, and they have a real utility for everyone. If you're thinking about investing in any particular NFT, you got to remember 2 particular things. One is the fact that what you are getting back in return of investing in that NFT in sense of monetary value or instead of utility value. You got to look at what you are actually going to get back. So the product genesis for months, they've been working hard on the project, the roadmap, the utilities, and how the project could be useful to the community while delivering a world-class artistic NFT. And each art piece comes with Liam's mind and is the logical extensions of many years of hard work in the space art. Your art, they say, will finally come out of the wallet and come to life straight from the reveal. Our holders will be able to claim a free printed artwork of their own NFT. The piece of art will come with a signed certificate and statement of authenticity. Now, this is the main thing you got to remember, guys, because once that happens, then you have the merchandise. The merchandise store is going to take place where you're going to have hoodies, t-shirts, hats, and real life collectibles. So imagine if you have an NFT and based on that NFT, you have developed different merchandises that are available, and you'll be getting money and you'll be getting a return, a passive income from that merchandise. And then you have NFT events that have exclusive access to the NFT holders. So if you want to be part of the community and you get the latest trends on the Web3 world, and that's why they have an offer of 100 holder tickets to NFT Expoverse in Los Angeles and the Greater Festivals with Gary Vee in next July. So basically, when you bring together all these elements and looking at the utility and the way they've developed their roadmap, you can clearly see that what they're actually set out to achieve. If you look at the big names in the industry, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Meta Avatars, Beans, or Invisible Friends, you will clearly see the way they've developed their roadmap is one of the reasons why they've become so successful, because they've shown to their NFT holders and future NFT buyers what they want to do, how they want to do it, and where they see themselves in the coming years. And when you have a clear direction and understand where you are headed and how you're headed there, only then can you actually develop something that is going to be successful. And obviously, Moonwalkers NFT have successfully developed those elements. By 2023, by the second quarter, virtually stroll through the artworks of renowned artists in the metaverse Moonwalkers Art Gallery, and the exhibition will be exclusive exclusive to the community. The art will be designed by some of the greatest space artists, and you will have the opportunity to discuss with the renowned artists and buy the display's artwork as unique NFT pieces. So basically, we are the Moonwalkers, and we are the children of the new Web3 era, the children of the new world, the world connected like it has never been before. And for us, the world belongs to those who dare to believe in progress and creativity and positive change. We are the change makers, the risk takers, the believers who fear nothing but time, the ones who work their ass off to build their dreams. Let's dream for a better, brighter world filled with endless opportunities. On board a community of like-minded pioneers from all over the world. Be bold and dare with the Moonwalkers, and you can join their Discord by clicking this button over here. And guys, remember, the Discord is basically the most important part of any NFT project. If you want to get reliable information about a project, you gotta join their Discord, because the Discord is literally the only place where you will get reliable and up-to-date information about an NFT project, either it be an NFT or play to earn game. The Discord is the place and only place that you will get reliable information. So please definitely join a Discord before you invest or buy any NFT, to make sure that you have up-to-date information, you understand the utility of the NFT that you're getting, and obviously to make sure that it's not a scam, because a lot of time you have a lot of NFTs that tend to be scams because a lot of people don't actually go and check who these guys are and do not actually search for the information behind the team that have developed this particular project. And that is why I've made a lot of overview videos where I feel the projects that I've covered, I try to make sure that these projects are not scams. You have real teams behind them, you have real utilities. You can check all the overviews that I've done for different NFT projects and play to earn projects on my channel, the Educational Network. Head over there and check them out, or you can just scroll down and go to my channel from here and check those videos out, and let me know what you guys think, because at the end of the day, that is one of the most important elements that I look at, because the feedback I receive from you guys is the basis upon which I continue to work harder to get this information out to you. So the details, obviously from Liam, who's the builder of this, is basically clean art with no gimmicks. And Liam spent months on each background, color, texture, element to ensure the details and breathtaking art pieces. You can almost feel the planet texture just by looking at it. With nearly endless combinations, all characters are guaranteed to be one of a kind, and these awe-inspiring 3D characters offer the most detailed digital representations of outer space. So basically, the team behind this is very important. You have the co-founders, you have the creative and designers, you have the strategy and partnership developers, you have the blockchain security, and obviously the engineers and chain developers and lead moderators. These are the individuals that have come together and brought a ton of experience with them in order to build a successful project. Just under their belt, they have a ton of experience, maybe decades of experience in the NFT space and crypto space. And you can check their Twitter out, you can check their Instagram out. These are real individuals that have connected their names to leading NFTs in the industries. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you have any comments whatsoever, you can always comment in the comment section below on Facebook or on YouTube. I will definitely reply back to you. If you want to ask me any direct question, my WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section on my channel. You can head over there and drop me a WhatsApp. And remember guys, do subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos that I'm making. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.